Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I ate a bowl of warm oatmeal. I ate a bowl of warm oatmeal. I peel a fresh sweet banana. I peel a fresh sweet banana. I boil 2 clean brown eggs. I boil 2 clean brown eggs. I mix green chia seeds in my milk. I mix green chia seeds in my milk. I slice a juicy red apple flat. I slice a juicy red apple flat. I spread raw peanut butter on my toast. I spread raw peanut butter on my toast. I squeeze a fresh sour lemon now. I squeeze a fresh sour lemon now. I chew 5 soft soaked walnuts. I chew 5 soft soaked walnuts. I drink a cup of hot green tea. I drink a cup of hot green tea. I clean my small breakfast table completely. I clean my small breakfast table completely. I put a clean frying pan down. I put a clean frying pan down. I crack 2 white eggs very carefully. I crack 2 white eggs very carefully. I toast a slice of brown bread. I toast a slice of brown bread. I pour hot black coffee into a cup. I pour hot black coffee into a cup. I wipe my small wooden dining table. I wipe my small wooden dining table. I peel a ripe yellow papaya now. I peel a ripe yellow papaya now. I scoop clean white yogurt into a bowl. I scoop clean white yogurt into a bowl. I drop 5 dry almonds on my plate. I drop 5 dry almonds on my plate. I mix pure golden honey with my oats. I mix pure golden honey with my oats. I mash a soft green avocado smoothly. I mash a soft green avocado smoothly. I chew my fresh breakfast very slowly. I chew my fresh breakfast very slowly. I drink a glass of fresh coconut water. I drink a glass of fresh coconut water. I slice a sweet red apple into pieces. I slice a sweet red apple into pieces. I boil a small handful of green beans. I boil a small handful of green beans. I wash my empty breakfast dishes completely. I wash my empty breakfast dishes completely. I walk into a big shopping mall now. I walk into a big shopping mall now. I push a clean metal grocery trolley forward. I push a clean metal grocery trolley forward. I select fresh green broccoli because it gives strength. I select fresh green broccoli because it gives strength. I pick bright orange carrots to help my eyes. I pick bright orange carrots to help my eyes. I buy organic red tomatoes to keep my heart healthy. I buy organic red tomatoes to keep my heart healthy. I choose fresh spinach because it has iron. I choose fresh spinach because it has iron. I put a heavy purple eggplant inside my bag. I put a heavy purple eggplant inside my bag. I read the nutrition labels very carefully. I read the nutrition labels very carefully. I pay money for my healthy vegetables. I pay money for my healthy vegetables. I carry the fresh food items home happily. I carry the fresh food items home happily. I press my bare fingers together tightly. I press my bare fingers together tightly. I stretch my tired thumbs outward now. I stretch my tired thumbs outward now. I make a tight fist to exercise. I make a tight fist to exercise. I open my warm palms wide apart. I open my warm palms wide apart. I eat a light soup for dinner. I eat a light soup for dinner. I avoid heavy meals before bedtime completely. I avoid heavy meals before bedtime completely. I drink a cup of warm water. I drink a cup of warm water. I turn off my bright mobile screen. I turn off my bright mobile screen. I think about 5 good things tonight. I think about 5 good things tonight. I close my eyes for a deep sleep. I close my eyes for a deep